Here's how I wish AI agents were taught to me.
Now, if you're first getting started in AI, you've probably seen AI agents that look like this, right? These massive workflows, tons of them all jumbled together, and it's hard to understand what does what. But at its most simple form, what you're looking at here is an AI agent, right? In the middle here, you have ChatGPT, and that's what's running the whole show. And to be more specific, it's the model underneath the hood of ChatGPT. So we're thinking 4.0, oh 03, oh 01, those actual large language models that are the brains of the operation. And what makes them an AI agent is their ability to do things. So we're talking about different sorts of tools that the agent has access to. So we're talking the internet, we're talking Gmail, YouTube, databases, Notion, right? And it's able to, based on what you tell it to do, intelligently choose the tools it needs to use to complete the task, right? It's dynamic. It doesn't always do the same thing every time you boot it up. And so that tool usage, that dynamism, that's what makes an AI agent an AI agent. Now, to go a little bit deeper, we're missing a couple of things here, right? You need some sort of input, right? And what's an input? Well, that's just how you talk to your AI agent. And ChatGPT is just text, but that could be voice, it could be a trigger, it could be a million different things. We also need some sort of output, right? That's how it talks back to you. Again, ChatGPT, it's just text, but this could be a number of things. It could simply be something populating in your inbox or a video being posted. And then the last thing it needs is some sort of memory, right? It needs the ability to actually remember the conversations you have with it. Just like ChatGPT remembers your kind of back and forth, different AI agents will have different sorts of memory. Sometimes it's small amounts of memory because you don't really mind if it doesn't remember everything, or it could be a very robust database that remembers everything. Kind of just depends on your use case. So all of that input, output, memory, tools, and then the actual large language model brain behind it all, that's an AI agent. So hopefully that answered some of your questions about what makes an AI agent an AI agent. And if you're looking to dive into more AI guides or build crazy agents like this one here, just check out my community. There's a link to it in my profile. Tons of guides, tons of tutorials, and it all assumes that you're non-technical. So I'd love to have you there.